Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to build a full portfolio using Google Sites in the updated 2026 layout. It's free, simple, and perfect for students, designers, freelancers, and anyone trying to showcase their work. Start by opening Google Sites and creating a blank site. Add your title and a header image to make the homepage feel personal. Then go to the Pages tab and create the main sections of your portfolio: an About page, a Projects page, a Resume page, a Skills page, and a Contact page. Fill out your About page with a short introduction and a photo. On your Projects page, add images or screenshots for each project, and write a short description with links to your work. For your resume, upload a PDF from Drive or embed a Google Doc so it always stays updated. Add a skills section using layout blocks and include tools, languages, and soft skills. Then build a contact page with a form, email button, phone button, or social links. Finish by customizing your theme colors and fonts so the whole site looks consistent. Preview everything in mobile and desktop mode, and when you're happy with the layout, click Publish and choose your web address. And that's it. That's how to create a complete portfolio in Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the